For Homeris, the long-term trend is still pretty much intact, and we're expecting the current uptrend set to accelerate further. One, because the stock is just a breakout above what we call that a small triangle pattern that began since October. Yesterday again was gap up on the back of higher trading volume, as pretty much keep starting a new upcycle for the stock. And if you look on the long-term trend structure, it does look like the short-term uptrend now has started to shift upward, and long-term trend now, despite recent, I would say, range bound or sideways for the past few years, it does look like it has been starting to move upward. So given the attractive risk to reward ratio as we reach about 9.8% with potential reward up to 22%, a strong breakout move in the RSI and positive reading in MACD, we're expecting the current stock to trade higher with the next technical target is at 61.5 cent and 68.5 cent, while the cut loss will be below 50.5 cent. Then we have a Dancomac. Dancomac also a similar pattern. What we like the stock because the stock has been trading consistently above the 200-day moving average for the past few months. And what make it more interesting is the series of high-low structure was formed right within the triple moving average over here. So yesterday again, on the back of high trading volume, a strong uptick in RSI along MACD turned much more positive. We're expecting the ongoing uptrend to accelerate further. The next technical target we put is actually 49.5 cent and 55 cent, while the cut loss level will be at 42.5 cent. So if you look to risk to the ratio, we actually risk about 6.59% with the potential reward up to 20.8%. So it's quite decent 1 to 3 risk triple R ratio. Now, last but not least will be LBSB. So LBSB, if you look on the recent rally, it has been a little bit on the high side. But what we like about the stock, because one, the stock recent consolidation within this so-called flag pattern is actually pretty much something that we call a continuation pattern. So continuation pattern often occur as some sort of the step back during the uptrend. So this flag pattern has ended following yesterday gain on the back of high trading volume. The stock has created a new breakout move as per yesterday above the pattern neckline. And what makes it more interesting because the stock is actually being reactive within the major resistance sub 60 cent, which is actually now turning into a support level. So because of that, we're expecting the current uptrend to continue to trade higher as we put our technical target at 71 cent and 79.5 cent, while the cut loss level will be below 59 cent. So in terms of risk to reward ratio, it's about 1 to 2.7 as we reach about 8.5% with potential gain about 23.6%. So based on quant scoring, we are for today we are using pretty much all on the value side. The reason for value side, we are looking for the stock which is bidding kind of the baseline before recovery. So for Homeris, the quant scoring is actually on the high side will be a 9 high. Dancomac is about 8.4. Meanwhile, LBS Group is 7.4.